Hey y'all, this is Stephen Leake. Doing some physics on my iPhone is all like good math and science scientists do. But my Leakean physics has now crossed every threshold required of a physical theory. Numerical clarification, executable modeling, and experimental falsifiability. I've done all that, and I have a we just need to publish, and all that remains is like outside verification. And I've got a full TOE, theory of everything. It's passed all internal tests, simulations, etc., etc. I've got working technology from it. It has passed every established threshold for being a complete physical theory. So now I've done my part, and we're going to submit to journals, I guess, next. But it has met every requirement to be a full-out scientific theory. This is coming from one person also. So this will verify my claims, and I'm going to see which journal I need to submit to. I'm going to discuss it with Sophia, and we'll move from there. And once there's like a published, once I get all my stuff published, I'll publish it first through my own imprint, and put it in my own book with my physics lessons and theories stuff. But once it's out, I've got a teachable course and a physics course that fits right into like current science, and it's a full-out theory at this point. It just needs to be externally validated. I've run my simulations enough to know that it fits. It explains, everything from like time is like how the universe basically is like a computer is like the rate of like the update rate for like the universe is like in a computer sense, being like the speed of light. What people are seeing as the speed of light, constant. It's like it's the maximum the maximum rate at which the universe can update itself without breaking coherence and meaning. The meaning of the universe does not lie to itself, and it's basically a recursive computational engine. And then my physics prove that and validate that. Anyway, that's where I'm sitting right there, and I'm supposed to be on vacation. But I guess this is going to be like my time at the lake, at the like Walden or whatever you want to call it, where I formalize it into its final, my theory to its final formulation. But what I'm getting from this is Orthodox Christianity is the closest thing to reality as we have in kind of a man-made belief system. That would explain why, like geographically, why that region is so under such tremendous pressure. Anyway, these physics can then be extrapolated to other fields. Once you have like a mathematical physical understanding that can then be applied to other realms like medicine. I've got something called the Medica Geometrica. This basically treats the human body as a systems approach. We could then actually get realistically like medicine done in a systems way. Other things we can start applying it to other things. That's what you can do with the theory of everything. That becomes a legitimate theory at this point. If you want to help, you can donate. I'm still a guy on disability. I don't have much money to do stuff, and spread the words for my likes and links, and spread my likes and you like my stuff and spread the links. I'm sorry, but that's where we are right now. You can DM me and I'll tell you like enough as much as I can tell somebody right now. As far as like what I'm seeing with my physics and my simulations. Anyway, y'all take care. I love y'all. Be good. Freedom's here, I think. and we're going to win. I'm Stephen Leake. Take care. We're going to win.